ceacht deachad a cúig. An amsir gná chatte, the habitual past tense. A lot of people mix up the past habitual with the conditional, but they have different endings and sometimes other little differences, and they definitely always look like the past tense at the beginning. So let's take a look. And what this, you've had the present habitual, which just means it's an ongoing thing. So if something used to be happening, but isn't necessarily happening anymore, you use the past habitual tense for something that happened repeatedly in the past. Okay, so ving, I used to be. Vita, with a T. It's not a vefa would be the conditional, right? So it's different. Vita, it's always got the very much past tense beginning, and it's got a different middle. Vikshe, that's got the BH at the beginning. Vimish, Vikshiv, Vidish. So Vidish, they used to be. So that's with the without a vowel at the beginning. Now, with a vowel at the beginning, it's just the D apostrophe, or with it's before an FH, same thing, D apostrophe. So they have donning, don ta, donakshe, donamish, donakshiv, donadish. Chering, cherta, cherikshe, cherimish, cherikshiv, cheridish. Okay, and some of these you get a lot, and some of them you don't use that often. So, but the first person and third person really use a lot. The other ones less, but learn them. And of course, the negative is ni, and the question is an, and they work just like anything else. And they give you some more words on the next page for the OE verbs. They pretty much do the same thing and just have those same endings. So then we get the list of the irregulars, and the irregulars actually kind of behave themselves when you're using the past habitual. They all kind of look like regular past habituals. So there's nothing really too difficult there. You just have to use the right form, which is similar to the past tense form. So ving, I used to be. Decking, I used to see. Clishing, I used to hear. Yening, I used to do. Hugging, I used to give. Hogging, I used to come. Vetting air, I used to take hold of. Dying, I used to get. Dihing, I used to eat. Jetting, I used to say. Hang, I used to go. Negative ni, question on practice, practice, practice. So that you can say someday that you used to have a problem doing this, but now you don't. And then you used to have a problem over and over again. Wir feibigum, I used to have a problem over and over again. Ach nil feibigum nismo, and I don't have a problem anymore.